export marketing channel. I can use social media. Social media is a fantastic option for me to explore marketing channel, and that might mean YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. I can do B2B platform, Global Buyers Online, Alibaba Online, and the like, Alibaba.com, B2B portals. I can do database company. Now, the reason I prefer this is because it makes it easier. It costs you money, but it's not gamble. You are getting legitimate value buyer. The only work now is, it's like you are now here. The work now is that to get them to buy. And one of the major issue in buying is pricing. If the pricing is right, all other issue can be worked around. Is to get the pricing right. Database company. International trade fairs. International trade fairs. This is more costly. Your flight, your accommodation, and like so, you can bypass that. Now, irrespective of the option you are using all this, please, you will still need this. Now, this is the lowest. Having a partner abroad, having an overseas sales rep. Because when you get data from here, because all this is to get contact of buyers. Engagement afterwards, when you have left, if you go there directly, or afterwards, for credibility, you need a rep. Now, you can decide to register a business with a partner, a Nigerian there, or any other person. That's subsidiary. Or you set up a branch. If you can afford it, you set up a branch. Send the staff there, pay the bill. So the staff job is to represent your company. This is what Dangote do, because they can afford it. Most big companies, what they don't look for buyer. They just set up a branch, and the job of the person is to market. So they will always get order. Why? Because there is a branch there that is promoting and doing the marketing on ground. But since you may not be able to do that because of cost at SME, maybe you want to consider it. But if you can afford it, why not? Partner with a company there or set up a branch in the export market. Now, in the bid to solve this particular problem, we did something. We decided to partner with a company to be able to get data. We have data now for Belgium, Canada, China, Germany, India, Netherlands, South Africa, United Kingdom, United States, and Vietnam currently for different products from solid mineral, lead, zinc, lithium, gold, and the like, cocoa, cashew, ginger, gum arabic, different commodities. The challenge is the cost. The cost, the minimum is 10, and the reason why we made the minimum 10 is because the more you have, the better. But if you want to get 5, you can actually get 5 because they are all valid active buyers. You can pay in dollars abroad or you pay in naira to us in Nigeria. So if you are getting this at $50, but if you are getting more, of course, the cost is lesser. Now, if you get the data, we'll give a bonus training material to enable you maximize the data. It's called Selling Effectively in the Export Market. The online course is on globaltradecollege.com. Now, these are different ways to enter the market. I can enter now. What I do, I am an export merchant working with an import merchant in the export market. The difference between an agent and a merchant is an agent does not hold inventory. A merchant holds inventory. So if I'm dealing with a merchant, that means the merchant will make profit, determine the price. But an agent will not determine the price. I'm the one that determines the price. He just earns a commission on the transaction. So I can enter. That's what I do. So you can be an agent in Nigeria representing buyers, and people can export through you if you are able to also get buyers, because you can actually get buyer and then people can export through you to buyers abroad. So it can go from you to a merchant or even to the end user itself, depending on, so there are different ones. Either I'm going through merchant to merchant, or merchant to agent, or merchant to the buyer, or I'm going through agent to merchant, agent to agent, or agent to the buyer, whichever option I've chosen. Or if for manufacturing, I'm going straight to the buyer without going through anyone. If I'm entering the market, I'm entering as direct export. Indirect export means if I'm a manufacturer and I'm exporting through people who are doing my shipment. For direct export, I'm exporting. I have a storage facility abroad, or I have a branch set up abroad, I have a subsidiary abroad, or I have a staff, or I have an agent. Talking about what I said before. So different options. These are different export market entry strategy to enter the market depending on what I'm looking for.